The customer asked if the smart light bulbs are compatible with Alexa. Our agent did reply with a very generic advice, which are usually product labeled as. But it's not exactly the correct answer. No error, no crash, and your monitoring shows nothing is wrong. But a real customer reading this just lost trust. Hi, I'm Shivam Dhar, Developer Relations at Harness, and this is the exact kind of problems we kept running into our agent. Today, I will show you how we solve it. In the next few minutes, using Harness AI Evals, I will be setting up an evaluation for this particular agent, run it and show you exactly why it failed and what went wrong. By the end, you will see how to go from weeks of manual testing to automated quality checks for every release. This is Harness AI Evals. So you just deployed a customer support agent and you need to make sure it actually answers questions correctly before real users hit it. Here's where you start. I'll start by creating a new evaluation. This walks me through 5 steps: basic info, target, dataset, metric set, and configuration. Let me give it a name and move forward. Step 2 is the target. I already have my support agent set up here, so I'll select the existing one. But before moving on, let me show you what a target actually is. A target is the AI you are evaluating. In our case, it's deployed support agent. We can test it right here. Send a sample input like what is the refund policy and see exactly what the agent returns. This is what AI Evals will run our entire dataset against. My agent is now hooked up. Step 3 is the dataset. I got an existing one here, so I'll select it. But you can also upload a JSON file or generate one with AI. A dataset is your ground truth. Each row is a scenario the agent will be tested against, an input, and what exactly answer look like. Do you have iPhone 15 Pro installed? Expected? Yes. How much does the MacBook Pro 14-inch cost? Expected? $1,999. Step 4 is the quality bar. This is where you define what good actually means for your agent. I am creating a new metric set with these 3 metrics: no typos, politeness, and task completion. I set a threshold for each. The score the agent needs to hit, and I pick a judge LLM connector. In this case, I will be using OpenAI to do the LLM as a judge scoring. My quality standard is now quantified, not in someone's head, not in spreadsheet, but actually in the system. Finally, the step is to do our configuration, like how many times to evaluate in parallel, how long each can take, optional cost limit, and these are all the some things which I'll just keep default and save it. And here's what it gets interesting. The eval is saved and now Harness asks, do you want to create a default pipeline or just run this right now? Because evals are most powerful when they run as a part of CI/CD. I'll click create a pipeline and run. Behind the scenes, Harness just created a suite, attached this eval to a default pipeline and kicked off the run. You can customize this pipeline, add approvals, notification, branch protection, whatever you need. Just add to a normal CI/CD flow. Here's what comes back. With the percentage on the pass rate and the total number of runs you have done over time, you can see the pass rate trending across runs, success versus failed items per run, and individual metrics score trend, what you already said, all on one screen. No spreadsheet, no Slack threads, just signals. Every run is tracked here, whether it is a pipeline triggered run or common manual run. The history is right here. Let me drill into the run. And look at this. AI analysis, not just things failed. It's diagnosing the root cause, endpoint connectivity failure, high severity, knowledge base gap. The agent is able to retrieve product information from catalog with suggested fixes, verify the agent endpoint, enhance the product knowledge base. The product isn't just scoring, it's telling me what to actually fix. Here's the metric breakdown. No typos at 0.83, politeness at 0.82, task completion as 0.72. Instantly I know the agent is polite, writes well, but it doesn't really complete the task it was asked to do. And here are the individual items: Failed ones first. Look at this. Are the smart light bulbs compatible with Alexa? The agent responded about product listing instead of compatibility. Item details, input the customer question, output what the agent said. Expected output what we wanted. And then the per metric breakdown. You can see the task completion is very low at 0.2. The reason explains the agent didn't address the core compatibility question, just talked about product listing. No typos at 0.5 failed. Grammatically fine but not relevant to the input. Politeness is at 0.95. The tone was professional. For every scenario, every metric, a score, a verdict, and a written reason. You know exactly what failed and why. Define your quality bar, let the pipeline enforce it, catch failures before your customer do it, and let the production teach your test what to check next. That's Harness AI Evals for you. If you like the video and you are someone who builds and ship AI agents and want their agents to provide expected outcomes every single time, check out our product Harness AI Evals and let's build agents that we can trust. Thank you.